on your attention, what would you do with them?
I would have them wash my car. I would have, because I think these guys are sort of porous, so I would dip them in soapy water and have them rub themselves over my car. And then I'd have the dry ones come across and dry my car.
Brilliant, very good. Now, if you were a supervillain like Gru, what would you do to get the world's attention?
What would I do to get the world's attention? Well, in the movie, one of the villains steals a pyramid, and my villain tries to steal the moon. So I think those are pretty big attention grabbers. I would do something of that sort. Maybe steal Niagara Falls. I don't know how that would work.
What?
Yeah, that would be. That maybe is, what am I thinking? That's
Ludicrous
ridiculous.
suggestion.
That's a terrible idea.
Could you look down the barrel of the lens and tell audiences what they can expect from this film?
You can expect to be entertained. You can expect to laugh. You might even cry a little bit. Your kids will love it. I'm giving this the hard sell, but it doesn't need it because it's a quite enjoyable movie, and I'm very proud of it.
Thank you. And also, what was your favorite gadget in the film?
Oh, I like the shrink ray. I think everyone would love a shrink ray.
Who would you use it on?
I would use it, well, I love the fact that in the movie he uses it in a coffee shop. So anywhere, like a supermarket, anywhere there's a long line, that's it. I'm going to the front of the line. Everybody else is just frozen. Or the freeze ray. The freeze ray is not the shrink ray. Shrink ray's good. Shrink ray shrinks things down. Freeze ray just stops people in their tracks. That's the one I would take.
Thanks so much, Steve.
Thank you.